Smiley Shark and the Great Big Hiccup. Wow, look at that. All full of bubbles, full of fish. You see? And this is Shark. Hello, Shark. Oh, you don't look very happy. What's the matter? Look at all the fish here. Let me see. Far away in the deep rolling ocean, all the fish were swimming in the sea. And they were looking for someone. Where is Shark? Shark! Shark, where are you? They couldn't find him anywhere. He's not here. He's not here. Where is Shark? Oh, look! Octopus spotted him. This is Octopus. Oh, there he is. But he's not smiling. What's the matter, Shark? What is wrong? Said Starfish. Let me see, where's Starfish? Look, we've got Shark, Octopus, and Starfish. Very good. And it says, oh, I can't get rid of these hiccups. Oh no, poor Shark's got the hiccups. And then look, it says, I know what to do, cried Angelfish. Who is Angelfish? Let me see, this is Shark. This is Starfish, because it's like a star. And this is Octopus. So this one or this one are Angelfish. We will see now who is Angelfish, this one or this one. Angelfish said, swim fast, 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 quickly, quickly, quickly. And that always makes them go. So, look. Whee! They swim fast, fast, fast. Ah, look. This is Angelfish. Let's see if they're gone. But it didn't work. Oh, please, Starfish. Can you help me? Asked the poor Shark. Of course, said Starfish. When I have hiccups, I do cartwheels, and that always makes them go. Look at the cartwheels. Wow! Turning around and around. Big cartwheels. Woo! And with a swish and a swirl, they tumbled and trilled together across the sand. Did that make them go? Did that make the hiccups go? Let's see. Oh no, it didn't work. Oh, poor Shark was feeling very dizzy now. And he still had the hiccups. I have an idea, said Octopus. Let's see what he's going to do with his tentacles in. Tickle, 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 tickle in your tummy. Tickle, 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 tickle everywhere. Laughed Shark. Did that stop the hiccups? Yes or no? Oh no. It didn't stop the hiccups. Poor Shark. But then Pufferfish, this is Pufferfish, said, I know just what will work. When I have hiccups, I hold my breath for as long as I can, and that always makes them go. So, hold your breath. Again. 1, 2, 3. Did that make the hiccups go? Let's see. Yay! Yay! Thank you so much, Puffer. Oh no! It didn't make them go. Oh no! Smiley Shark's hiccups were back, and they were worse than ever. Oh no! That's really bad. Oh, poor Smiley Shark was getting very grumpy and very sad. Oh, look, we need a better plan, said the fish. They gathered all together. Pufferfish, angelfish, starfish and octopus, and they came up with a plan. Angelfish said, Shark, swim along and get into the cave. You will see that will cure you from your hiccups. Really? Okay. So the shark swam inside the cave. Oh, inside the cave, it was dark. And he waited and waited and waited. And whoa! Ah! Oh, Shark was very scared. Let's see if that worked. Did that work? Did that make the hiccups go? Yay! Hooray! Oh, Shark was happy. Starfish was happy. Angelfish was happy. Octopus was happy. And Pufferfish? Pufferfish, what's the matter? Oh no, Pufferfish got the hiccups. And this is the end of the story. I hope you liked it. Bye-bye.